Qazi Yusuf's single conspiracy complete changed the entire game of chess. With just one move, the direction of events began to change. The man who had firmly refused to return, and Sihan who had declared that he would never even look at his father's face again, suddenly come back. What is really going on in Qazi Yusuf's mind? Why did he join hands with a man like Lala? What dangerous plan is he secretly preparing? Before we reveal everything, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you do. As soon as Qazi Yusuf learned that Sehan never wanted to return and wanted to stay away from everyone, a brilliant plan come to his mind. He knew that Sehan has only one weakness, and that was none other than Alif. At same time, Qazi Yusuf also find that Ilham had returned to their homeland, but he was not willing to let his prey escape easily. He come up with a massive plan. His goal was to bring both Sihan and Ilham back. Ilham's mission would be complete and Sihan would remain by his father's side forever, even helping him in all of his affairs. For this reason, Qazi Yusuf first ordered Zikriya to go to the Lala and tell him that Qazi Yusuf want to meet him. Zikriya immediately went to the Lala and said, "Your long-awaited wish is about to come true. This is your last opportunity. If you meet Qazi Yusuf, this long-standing rivalry may finally come to an end, and your friendship could begin again." Hearing this, Lala agreed to meeting. As soon as Lala stood before Qazi Yusuf said, "I want this enmity to end today. There is nothing to gain by counting it anymore. Our rivalry began many years ago, but today it will finally end. I am giving you my dream project." "Lala, this project was once your dream as well. That is why you always chased after it. You made Mariam as your sister, but fate made her my daughter-in-law. Today I am handing this entire dream project over to you." Lala replied, "If you truly mean that, then fine. I am also ready to forget this rivalry." After this, Qazi Yusuf signed all the documents, shook Lala's hand and said, "From today onward, this dream project belongs to you. Do whatever you want with it. From now on, neither you will stand in my way, nor will I stand in your way. Our paths separate here, and so does our enemy." Lala smiled and said, "I have no objection. It is a good thing you gave me this property yourself. Otherwise, I could have wanted to take it by taking your life. But now that you have extended the hand of friendship, I gladly accept it." With that, Lala picked up the document and walked away. After Lala back, Zikriya looked surprised and asked, "Sir, what have you done? How could you hand over your dream project that man?" Qazi Yusuf smiled and replied, "Zikriya, this is a game of mind. That is why I am sitting in this chair today while you stand behind me. You do not possess the vision that I do. I can see what you cannot even imagine. The real purpose behind this decision will become clear when the time comes." Qazi Yusuf then continued, "Just keep watching the drama unfold. On one side, this rivalry will come to an end. On the other side, inspiration will move away from this case and become occupied with another one. And even if Sehan returns, we would not need to use our own man. Just wait and watch. Everything will happen exactly For more interesting video, subscribe my channel.